Hi everyone, welcome all of you. Today in my very first video, I select to see the inside of AC-DC adapter. Let's open the case and look inside. This is the inside out of AC-DC adapter. Basically, AC adapter convert a higher voltage alternating current to a lower voltage direct current for use with devices that require a relatively constant voltage. AC adapter essential for devices like laptops and cell phones. Basically, a simple AC adapter consists of a transformer, a rectifier and a filter circuit. Okay, let's look at the components inside the AC-DC adapter. First of all, we should know what is the input side and what is the output side. This is input side and this is output side. In input side, first of all, this is the cord connection. Near the cord connection, there is a thyristor and both of these are inductors. This is safety capacitor and there is a fuse. This is the rectifier bridge. This is the main capacitor in this circuit. Near the capacitor, there is a resistor. It called fusible resistor. It used for prevent damage from overload. And there is a diode and capacitor. This is the transformer. I think you can see near the transformer there is a octocoupler used for switching operation. This is capacitor for safety. Those are capacitors. This is LED bulb. I think you can see it. Green color LED. Near the LED there is also a capacitor and diode. This is the inductor. Those are the basic components inside the AC-DC adapter. And the other side, this is the main IC in this PCB. And there are some resistors and capacitors also. Those are the basic components inside the AC-DC adapter. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. For more videos, please subscribe us. Stay tuned with us, get knowledge and enjoy. Thank you for joining with us today.